Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on TOSCIDO P101 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your new search engine. And now click on the three dots icon, go to settings and click on search engine option, and now in recently visited you should have yep.com, and go back, and as you can see now my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.